Hello everyone. Today we will discuss about three important function in MS Excel, which is the sum, SUMIF, and SUMIFS. And we will also understand about the difference between the three function. So first of all, we will start with sum function, which almost all of you are familiar with. So first of all, the sum function will add the numbers in the series. For example, the sales which has done by HUL companies 10, PNG 67, and so on. So this is the sales and numbers are given. So we have to apply the sum function here to calculate the overall sales by all the companies. So we will add these numbers which are in the series to get the sum. So I've already applied it, but we will do it again. So what is the syntax of sum function is equal to I have applied sum, then I'll open the bracket and then control shift down is the shortcut to select all the range. So all the range is selected. I'll close the bracket. So I'll got the answer 1187, which is the sum of all the sales run by the companies. Now there is a shortcut of the sum range. We will use it this method also, which is a alt and equal to function. So when I pressed on my keyboard alt equal to, then I got this syntax is equal to sum and whole the range is selected automatically. Then I'll press enter. So I got the answer is 1187, which is the sum. So I'll highlight it. Now what we will do is the next function, SUMIF function. The next function is SUMIF function. And the what we will do in the SUMIF function is, like, if I say that I want the total number of the product sales, which is a soap. I want the sales of the product soap, only soap, or detergent, or shampoo, or conditioner, whatever it may be. So what I did is I put a condition on it. So the condition is that I want the sales of the product soap or conditioner or shampoo. So it adds the cell specified by the given criteria or condition. So first of all, we will see how we can do it. I will apply here is equal to sum if, then here he is asking for the range, then criteria and some range. So the range here is this one because he's asking for the range. So I have selected this. Then criteria is soap. Let's say soap. So I'll keep it in double quotes and then soap. I'll close the double quotes, then comma. Then he's asking for some range. So I'll select here some range. Control shift and down. So I don't want to select it sum because I want only the this. So I have selected this sum range. Then I'll close the bracket and I'll press enter. So I'll got the answer as 444. So the number of the sales of the product soap is of 444, which is 10 plus, here we can see that 10 plus 90 plus 67 and so on. If we do manual calculation, you can also cross check it by doing the manual calculation. Now moving to the next function is sum ifs function. And what is the difference between sum if and sum ifs? In the sum ifs, more than one condition is applied. For example, in the sum if, I have applied the condition that I want the sales of the product soap. But in the SUMIFs, I will apply two conditions here that if I'll say that how many total number of the units of the soap sold in Delhi. So I have applied here two conditions, soap as well as Delhi. So I want the sales of the product soap in the region Delhi. So I have applied here two conditions. So SUMIFs will be more appropriate function in that case. So let's see how we will apply it. SUMIFs. Then here, what we have to do is, first of all, it is showing sum range. So I'll select here the sum range, which is, sorry, then I'll drag drop it. So, okay, this range is selected. Now, criteria range 1, and then criteria 1 will be selected. So, criteria range is this, comma. I want to check the sales of soap. So, I'll apply here double quotes. So, close the double quotes, comma. Now I will select the criteria range 2, which is the region. So I'll select here this is this. Then I'll select here comma. And what is the criteria range for criteria is that I want to check the sales in the region Delhi. So I'll write it in double quotes, Delhi. Then I'll close it. So I'll got the answer as 55. So the number of the sales of the product in Delhi is 55. Like, first of all, we can check it by manually also. So plus Delhi 10, then so plus Delhi is 45, so plus Delhi is not there. So 10 plus 45 answer is the 55. So uh, that we got the correct answer. We have also checked it manually. So this is the difference between the three functions, sum, SUMIF, and SUMIFs. And all the three functions are very important to check the sales and using the criteria and using the multiple criteria. So that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching.